Hello, welcome back to Chapter 10, Section 1, Organizing and Displaying Data. We're talking about line graphs for problems 8 and 9 in the guided practice problems. And again, we have the random missing numbers. I'll go ahead and put 40 up there too. Okay, so this is a line graph. Line graphs, geez, this one was really rough. Line graphs show data changing over time. I can have time as a category, we talked about that, but I'm looking for changes over time. So in this case we have movie ticket sales. So this one particular movie was released. After 1 week, it sold probably, looks to be almost 30,000, maybe 28,000 tickets. That's really not a lot. Must have been an independent movie. 2 weeks, didn't change much. 3 weeks, some people were hearing about it, they were reading about it, maybe they were thinking, hey, now's the time to go, so it kind of increased. And then after that, the movie started to decrease. Less people started to go see the movie. So a month and a half after it was released, we're down to almost 20,000. So that's the idea. We're going to estimate the number of tickets sold during the week of its greatest sales. So when did it have the most sales? So we started out here. It looks like it goes up slightly, so that's higher. Looks like it went up more, and then after that it came down. So I think the highest point is going to be right here. And the number of tickets, if this is 30 and if this is 35, I'd say it's slightly less than 35. So maybe about 34,000, maybe 34,500. Looks like it's really close to 35, but it's kind of hard to tell, but it's okay. It's just an estimation. I know we get into, I want to get the correct number. There's no way to figure out what the correct number is, okay? Try to get as close as you can, but again, you're not going to be perfect. Which 1 week period of time saw the greatest change in sales? Okay, this does not tell me whether the change in sales is an increase or a decrease. So you got to be careful with that. Looks like it went up slightly here, but it looks like it went up more here. So between increase, for the two that were increasing, I'd go between 2 and 3. But wait, it went down, and then it went down way far here. And of course then it still went down, but not as much. So again, thinking about it in terms of slope, so here's an increase, this is a greater increase, here's a decrease, this is a greater decrease. So it's kind of hard to compare positive slope with negative slope, but it looks to me that this one went up maybe about 5,000, where this one went down about 10,000. So even though it's a negative change, 10,000 was a greater change than 5,000. So which 1 week period? I would say from week 4 to week 5. All right, we'll see you in the next video.